We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section probability. The problem is based on Bayes' theorem. This question has appeared in Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 24th June 2022 in the session 1. The problem is bag A contains 2 white, 1 black and 3 red balls, and bag B contains 3 black, 2 red and n white balls. One bag is chosen at random and 2 balls are drawn from it at random are found to be 1 red and 1 black. If the probability that both the balls come from bag A is 6 by 11, then n is equal to. We are given 4 options. Option A 13, option B 6, option C 4, option D 3. So we have 2 bags. And the first bag is bag A. It contains 2 white, 1 black and 3 red balls. And the second bag is called as bag B. It contains 3 black, 2 red and n white balls. And one bag is chosen at random and 2 balls are drawn from it at random. And they are both found to be, those 2 balls drawn are found to be 1 red and 1 black. And you are given the probability that both the balls come from bag A is 6 by 11. Then we have to find the value of n from these 4 options. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. And this is our given problem. Solution. Let A and B be events of selecting bag A and bag B respectively. A and B are events of selecting bag A and bag B respectively. And probability of A is equal to probability of B is equal to 1 by 2. And it is given bag A contains 2 white, 1 black, 3 red balls. The total 6 balls are there. Bag B contains n white, 3 black, 2 red balls are there. The total is denoted by m and that will be equal to n plus 3 plus 2, that is n plus 5. Let E be the event of choosing 2 balls, 1 red and 1 black. Now, the probability of the event E given A, that is from the bag A, you have to choose 1 red, 1 black, and we have 3 red and we have to choose 3C1 multiplied by 1 black, you have to choose 1 black, 1C1 by the total 6 and you have to choose 6C2. So that is the probability of the event E given A, and when simplified it will be 3 by 15 and that is equal to 1 by 5. In a similar fashion, probability of E given B is equal to, in B we have 3 black balls and you have to choose 3C1, and 2 red balls you have to choose 2C1 multiplied by, and the total is n plus 3 plus 2 n plus 5, which we have called it as MC2, and that will be equal to 2 into 3 by MC2 means n plus 5C2, that is n plus 5 into n plus 5 minus 1 by 2, that is n plus 5 into n plus 4 by 2, and that will become 12 by n plus 5 into n plus 4. We are given the probability that both the balls are from bag A, that is, the probability of A given E is 6 by 11. The probability of A given E is 6 by 11. We continue in the next slide, and this is what we have so far. Given probability of A given E is 6 by 11. From this, we have to find n. We use Bayes theorem. By Bayes theorem, probability of A given E is equal to probability of A multiplied by probability of E given A by the total probability of A into probability of E given A plus probability of B into probability of E given B is equal to 6 by 11. And probability of A is 1 and probability of B is probability of A is equal to probability of B is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, probability of A is equal to probability of B is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, probability of A, probability of, and they will cancel, and you are left with probability of E given A by probability of E given A plus probability of E given B. Yes, these values we know about, and that will be equal to probability of E given A is 1 by 5. This is what we have, by probability of E given A 1 by 5 plus probability of E given B is 12 by n plus 5 into n plus 4. And now take the LCM. And that will be n plus 5 into n plus 4 plus 5 12s are 60 by 5, and in the numerator 1 by 5 is there, that 5 cancels, and that will imply n plus 5 into n plus 4 by n plus 5 into n plus 4, 12 5s are 60, is equal to 6 by 11. Cross multiplying, we get 11 times n plus 5 into n plus 4, n square plus 9n plus 20, and that will be equal to 6 times n square plus 9n plus 20 plus 60, that will be 80, and 6 times of n square plus 9n plus 80, and multiplying and simplifying, we get 5n square plus 45n minus 260. We see a 5 is common throughout, and cancelling it, we get n square plus 9n minus 52 is equal to 0. The factorization is very simple. 13 4s are 52 and 13 minus 4 is 9. Yes, that will imply 9 minus 4 into 9 plus 13 is equal to 0. That will give rise to n is equal to 4. And we cannot take n is minus 13. We can't have minus 13 balls. Okay. So that will imply n is equal to 4. Let us look at our options. Our answer n is equal to 4 appears against the option C. Therefore, our answer is option C. That is the discussion of the solution of the problem from the section probability, and the problem is based on Bayes theorem. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.